Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and I'm showing you how I make up a batch of my banana brew for flowers. So this is a great source of potassium, phosphorus, calcium, all kinds of good stuff. What I have in here is my rotten bananas from my banana tree and a couple of rotten bananas that I had at home. And what I'm doing is I'm just stripping all the bananas off of here. I've been doing it with this nice stick so I don't smell, because it is getting kind of stinky now. But I will get all of that I can into this bucket, and then I'll show you where we go from here. So what I have here is some strawberries, and I actually grabbed a couple of blackberries too that look nice. I'm going to throw these into the brew as well. Little tip from Pilgor 420J. Thank you, Pilgor, for the tip on adding strawberries too. I actually got the idea of my banana brew from Pilgor 420J, as he's the one that introduced me to the banana brew. So now I'm just going to put all this in here, and I'm going to mash it up real nice. You could take these bananas and strawberries and throw them in a blender, but I don't got time for that. Now I'm just going to mash this up real good, and then we'll go to our next step. All right, now we have our strawberries and bananas all mashed up real nice. Next step is to add water. Now we won't be filling this all the way up. We'll fill it to wash some of this banana off right here. I want to get as much in there as possible. So we'll go ahead and we will fill this up to about a quarter full or so right now. And we'll give it a good stir. And then I will leave it overnight. We'll go ahead and get this water in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my old banana flour here, and I'm going to stir it up with that so I can get some of that goodness that's still within that banana flour. We'll give this a good stir, and then we'll leave it for 24 hours. Okay, so that's about where you want the bucket filled to. I'm just going to give it a nice little stir with this banana flour some more. Try to mash down anything that's in there. Make sure everything's nice and mashy, and because basically what we're doing here is we are fermenting bananas and berries, and we're just going to give it a good 24-hour ferment or so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and leave that banana flour in there, and we'll let this and the natural yeast within the air and stuff start brewing up, and we'll make a nice little fermented banana berry tea, which will infuse potassium, phosphorus, calcium, some real nice stuff in there. And I'll come back in about 24 hours and I'll spruce it all up, fill it to the top, then I'll strain it out and we'll put it into a bucket and water. But for now, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden